effect of Flaxseed Gel. Hey there, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today I'm going to show you the effect of Flaxseed Gel on my hair. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here we have our flaxseed and I'm going to take an utensil, put flaxseed into it. Now I'm going to pour water into it. And let's go to the kitchen and boil them down. So the gel is ready, guys. I'm using my finger to apply into my scalp first, then I'll do the ends. So this is how the texture is. It's pretty weird. I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes and then wash my hair. You take the gel little bit on your hand and then just spread around your hair. It's easy, it's not that complicated. I thought it will be complicated, but it's fine. Just look at this hair. It's so nice, smooth, detangled, the shine is there, the texture is nice, my hair is not dry. There was no hair fall as well, so it's a must try. So without thinking anything, just go for it and do this to your hair. Your hair will love you and you will love your hair. So that's it. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and you can leave the comments, you can hit the like button, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.